Hey, I'm Michaela.
Hey.
I'm gonna do Haley's makeup with this one. Hold on.
I'm scared.
Okay, so
You gotta tell them what you're doing.
what you do?
Or I'll tell them what you're doing.
Okay.
So it's really ghostly right now. What are you doing?
I don't know. I can't see. Okay.
Are you trying to use that one?
No.
So we did this before and I look terrible. Okay, wait, let me see if I look good. Okay, can you see who this thing is? Yeah. Can't tell who it is. I think I need to see
Is it coming out?
Yeah. Ow!
You have to draw on my forehead. Oh, no, I'm using. That's not makeup.
Maybe we shouldn't have done this in my bathroom.
I think that's my mouth. Can you just find the brush?
That iPhone. I hope aliens is cool. Hey, everything. Because of recording the whole time. Because, you know what that is? Okay. I wish I could see every bit of this only. Oh God, I'm serious. Oh. Can you wait?
Looks like I'm done.
I hate it. Let me see if I can see it.
She's beautiful. Okay, hold on. What's the next one? There we go. Isn't she beautiful?
I look like I just got beat up.
She's beautiful. Okay, bye y'all.
Bye.